verdict, where journeys made justice. Today, we have the pleasure of speaking with Priya Dwivedi, an inspiring individual who achieved an impressive All India rank of 152 in CLAT 2025 and will be going to NALSA soon. Priya isn't just a star student, she is also a dedicated content creator at CLS CLAT. Beyond her professional and academic achievements, she is passionate about co curricular activities, including dancing, music, engaging in speeches and debates, and volunteering. Priya is a firm believer in the transformative power of education and enjoys teaching and mentoring kids. Let's have a chat with her. Priya, congratulations on your impressive improvement from last year's CLAT attempt to scoring an All India rank of 152. How are you feeling?
Thank you, Ashlesha. Thanks for the wonderful intro. And I'm overjoyed. I'm glad that I believed in myself and gave another attempt. It was indeed fruitful.
Great, great. So, please can you tell me what are the strategies and changes did you make in your preparation this year that contributed to this success?
So there were a lot of changes because while I was preparing for CLAT in 12th, it was a whole different scenario. It was with school and different coachings and all. So the first thing I did when I started with my job year was that I wrote down everything which I missed upon. So a few things were कि I did not analyze my mocks well enough. So it is not enough to just write कि क्या गलत था, क्या क्वेश्चन गलत था. You have to write कि कौन से टाइप का क्वेश्चन गलत था, है ना? And you have to write why was it wrong, like with the analysis, so that you will not repeat it again. And apart from that, it was not making an efficient timetable. I was kind of going autopilot with it. आपको एक मतलब अपनी वीकनेसेस के हिसाब से अपना टाइम टेबल बनाना रहता है कि व्हाट यू हैव टू स्टडी एंड व्हाट यू डोंट हैव टू स्टडी, प्रायोरिटीज के हिसाब से टाइम टेबल बनाना रहता है. एंड आई डिडंट डू दैट अर्लियर. दैट वाज इट. एंड नॉट मेकिंग अ सेपरेट जीके का रिवीजन टाइम टेबल व्हिच इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि जीके हैज टू गो मतलब डेली. तो उसका भी एक अलग से टाइम टेबल होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जीके मतलब उस अपने आप में इतना ज़्यादा करना पड़ता है उसके लिए, तो उसके लिए भी अलग से एक टाइम टेबल बनाओ फॉर डिफरेंट थिंग्स. जो भी कंपेंडियम के लिए, आपके स्टैटिक वाले नोट्स के लिए, सबको मिला के एक अलग से डिफरेंट टाइम टेबल जो आपका जीके का रोज का चले. एंड ऑल्सो वन मोर थिंग वाज एक्चुअली लर्निंग हाउ टू टेक नोट्स, क्योंकि व्हेन वी आर इन स्कूल वी आर सपोज टू राइट बिग बिग पैराग्राफ्स एंड ऑल. तो दैट इज नॉट हाउ यू राइट नोट्स हियर, बिकॉज दैट वोंट वर्क फॉर योर रिविजन. तो एक्चुअली लर्निंग हाउ टू टेक concise and precise notes good enough for revision. So yeah, these are a few pointers.
There's a lot of pressure that comes with national level exams. How did you stay motivated and mentally strong throughout your CLAT preparation?
Yeah, so I was not really mentally strong when I was giving my first attempt because of school and all, but because I used to be too involved there. But what kept me going was my wish to get a good college, of course, and the belief that I had in myself. I like getting better with each mock, so I used to see minor improvement कि थोड़ा थोड़ा 0.5 ये सब हो गया है. तो I took that as कि ये मेरा potential है, that I can improve and do much more better, है ना? Which is not really present in 12th because mindset का भी वो चीज़ होता है. तो I had the same thinking, but yeah, I pondered over it, सारी negativity हटा के. So I think I believed in my own potential. कि I was improving with each mock, so I can do better and better, and yeah, that really helped me.
Okay, so like you're a content creator at CLS CLAT. How do you feel your experience and insights from CLAT preparation have helped you in this role? And how do you contribute to the support and supporting their aspirants, other aspirants?
Yeah, so well, my CLAT preparation has led me to being accepted into this, and because we have actually prepared for CLAT, so we do know how things work. We have a first-hand experience as like at it, so it's not really tough to give other people some advice on how to move forward. So I make short-form content on Rails and take doubts of students, and whatever strategies and tips that I used when I was preparing for CLAT, I put them like in a script format and then record for social media. And I, apart from all of this, I do really enjoy and advising students. I like teaching in general. So, yeah, it flows naturally.
Mistakes that they make that we made at some time. Yeah. So like Please, can you tell me what was your daily routine look like in terms of hours, targets, or break while you were preparing for that exam?
Uh, yeah, so there were a few things which I used to do like daily का रहता था. तो newspaper was daily, current affairs was daily from any magazine or other source. And I used to practice maths regularly. And it depends, अगर आपकी maths अच्छी है, you won't have to practice that much. But of course, maths के साथ regularity should be a must because you know, lose your grip on that. And then I would plan my week according to my progress. Like I would jot down everything that I have to do कि contracts नहीं हुआ, for example जीके में ये वाले महीने का I missed on that, फलाना फलाना सब कुछ like topics I used to list down and then divide them into weeks. Like for this week I will focus more on logical and English. For the next week I would focus more on legal and maths and so on and so forth. Then I used to plan my daily tasks.
Basic subjects
Yeah,
accordingly.
yeah, exactly.
Task accordingly. Oh, great.
Correct. And apart from concepts, I used to do daily sectionals. Sectional ka reading like English, legal, logical. This was a must. Sare sections roj. And I used to make as I mentioned, a revision timetable for GK. And yeah, these were the things that I did daily.
Great. Like you separated all the task and all the, breaks and everything, targets, everything. It was great. Okay, so what is something that you think aspirants overlook while preparing?
Yeah, so I think like very basic things they might overlook. Like as I mentioned earlier as well, they write their mistakes in a copy but repeat the same thing. Now, why do they do it? Because they do not specify what was their exact, where were they lacking? Was it the concept? Was it the grammar? Was it not like a comprehension problem? So, interpretation, yeah, whatever they are lacking, they cannot understand what they're lacking. So, they repeat their mistakes. So, fixing that. And also not, I've seen ki they don't follow their sectional timetable, time slot that they allot. Like if you allot 35 to 40 minutes for legal, then you should stick to that. You should not, get greedy and, breach that. Yeah. And also like very small things like making optimal conditions for a mock and coming on time so you can relax, bringing a water bottle, no, not eating food.
Efforts. Yeah.
Yeah,
Not else.
uh-huh, correct. Not eating food which makes you sleepy during work. I did that. Don't have to eat.
Major mistakes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, and not getting enough sleep. So all these factors, external factors, they affect very much how you solve a mock, right? And one more thing is not revising your theory again and again. So when you start getting good marks, right, you gain confidence. But apart from that, you also forget कि अब अच्छा हो गया तो I won't do it again. So that's a mistake क्योंकि थ्योरी वाला पार्ट अच्छे से करते हैं तो अपने concepts brush up होते रहते हैं. So it's very like I'm talking about logical भी कि assumption, inference and all of that. So it is important कि like every 2 to 3 months you test yourself on basic concepts like the difference between assumption, inference and all of that. Yeah, and also do not count. Yeah,
I feel that theory is as much as important as practices.
huh, correct, exactly. That's what I meant. And also like you should not count your hours of studying. I'd say count the task. Like you have 5 to 6 tasks for a day, complete all of them. And now whatever like 8, 10, 7, जितने भी घंटों में हो रहा है, don't count the hours, count the tasks. Yeah.
Okay, before we wrap up, let's have a rapid fire round with you, Priya. Okay, so can we start? Are you ready?
No.
Okay, so what was your favorite section?
English and CR.
Favorite genre?
Literature.
Okay, last movies and series that you watched?
Weak Hero season 2.
Okay, one thing that comes to your mind when I say Nalsar.
Lakes and extracurriculars.
Great. Thanks for joining in the rapid fire round, Priya. Okay, here's the last question for you. What is the final piece of advice for aspirants? Any personal tip that you'd like to share?
So I think we have talked about academics a lot. So I'll talk about the mental health part, and because it's really important. Your mindset is very much important, and You should focus on yourself and your preparation. And one thing is, you should not hesitate to ask for help. If you do find someone helpful, a senior or anybody, so you people hesitate a lot to ask doubts and everything. You should keep that aside and just go ahead and ask. And about the mental health part, sometimes like mock अच्छे नहीं जाते, लगातार अच्छे नहीं जाते. So it takes a toll, you know. And what I did was, जब मेरे खराब जाते थे, like during the first time of my preparation, I did not take enough breaks. Now with the drop, I did take enough breaks, and it helped क्योंकि refreshing your mind also helps. Like I said कि mocks में optimal condition पे आपका दिमाग वर्क करना चाहिए. आपको लाइक आप अगर आपको ओवरवर्क कर दोगे आप अपने आप को, तो you won't be able to work in optimal conditions. So adequate breaks लेना is also very important. So you should have something like to a coping mechanism.
Maybe something
Yeah.
that makes
Yeah, something that helps you refresh. तो आपका एक दिन का मॉक खराब जा रहा है, तो do not have to ruin Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all of that. Give yourself enough break. Do not dwell on whatever bad thing happened too much, and yeah, move forward. So mental health is very, very important. Do not keep that aside. Of course, your physical health as well.
It was lovely chatting with you, Priya. I'm sure our viewers found that helpful. Until next time, keep questioning, keep growing. That was the verdict.